So what is this?
The bladder.
Bladder. Why is it? What's the undulations mean?
It's for extension and stretch.
Okay. What facilitates the extension or stretch?
The bladder filling up with urine.
But what structurally?
It's not rugae, but what is it?
There is rugae.
Rugae?
It is rugae?
There is rugae in the bladder, and there's something else. What's the epithelium in the bladder?
Don't say it.
Oh,
Starts with a T.
it does.
Transitional.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Thank you.
Okay. So both those things really facilitate this repeating distension or stretch. This
Urethra.
urethra. Okay. This.
Clitoris.
Right here.
Labium?
Minor
Labia.
labia.
Yeah, labia minora.
Labia major.
Labia
Okay.
major.
Right. The space that is in here, kind of protected by the labia minora. The space where everything opens.
You're on a blank.
It's also this space.
Vestibule?
Said that.
Vestibule or something? Is it? No. Is it?
Vestibule.
It is? Wow, I'm good.
Vestibule's like a
Right,
generic
you're my
little
video.
like alcove. All right. So this is the external urethral orifice.
Yeah.
Okay. What's this?
Vagina.
What's with the
Ridges.
What's with the ridges?
For abrasion
No, for
or
What's the?
penetration.
Well, okay. So it stimulates the male, but what's causing the folds, or what's causing the?
Transitional.
the circular.
What's the epithelial lining?
Oh, it's gotta be
Stratified
stratified.
But what's okay? That's the mucosal lining. What's causing the undulations? What's the word of the day? Here. Here.
Rugae?
Transition.
Rugae.
Rugae.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rugae everywhere.
Yeah,
Yeah, and it's also facilitating stretch
Okay.
as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
for that baby.
And for okay, this recessed area here,
Fornix.
the fornix,
Fornix.
this whole organ,
Uterus.
the uterus. Okay, and this narrow region here in the uterus,
Cervix.
cervix. Okay, the model, I'm not the best fan of, but I'll tell you. All right, okay, we'll go through that. The innermost lining, there's really two layers, right? Or two. What's the innermost lining to the uterus? What do you call it?
Endometrium?
The endometrium. And there's two different layers, two different strata. Stratum basalis, stratum functionalis. So my interpretation of the model is the pink is what would be shed. It's the innermost. Like this, and the red here is stratum basalis. Because the thickness to the wall of the uterus, all this would be myometrium, smooth muscle. Then the white line here is perimetrium. And then something, it's a type of mesentery that's going to anchor the uterus to surrounding body wall. The broad ligament. Yeah. So you see that like here, all this is broad ligament. The broad ligament, where it anchors to surrounding tissues, creates these pouches. This one here is called the
Oh,
Uterus.
just
No, it's just
yeah, rectouterine pouch.
Yep. And this one,
Vasouterine.
vesicouterine
Vesicouterine
pouch.
pouch.
Yeah. Okay, what's this?
ovary.
The ovary. And what really kind of connects, although they don't touch, the ovary to the uterus is the
Fallopian tube.
Ovarian.
ovarian tube. I mean uterine tube. Sorry, fallopian
Uterine
tube.
tube?
That's fine. So the finger-like extensions are called fimbriae. When they fuse, like your fingers kind of fuse to your palm, that region's the infundibulum.
Infundibulum.
And then where it curves around, ampulla. Significance of this?
Where they fertilize.
Yep, it's where fertilization takes place.
Oh, really?
And then this,
Ischium.
isthmus. It's
Isthmus.
like a little land bridge. That's what an isthmus is. A geographical term as well. Okay, what's this?
The bladder.
The bladder. Just seeing it from both sides.
Here, and then this would be myometrium.
Well, awesome.
Yeah, broad ligament.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it.